Now let's take a look at this picture that came out of a children's book, all about Ramapithecus. Now the book tells us that the Ramapithecus was a man-ape. Not a real man, but a man-ape. Well, I agree, that does not look like a man, does it? But was it a man-ape? Well, it has a very ape-type creature sitting on a rock, but it looks like he's thinking, intelligent, kind of like we might. But when I look at something like this, I come to a very important question. I ask myself, wait a minute, is this what they actually found? Did they actually find this creature sitting out in the jungle like this? No. So what do we call this picture? We call it artwork. That's right. Everybody repeat that. What do we call it? Artwork. That's right. And we turn the page, and guess what else we find? All right, we find two young people, all right, and you look at the background, popping their head out of the cage, looks like some more. Once again, did they find these young people sitting in the jungle out there like that? No. So then what do we call that picture? We call it artwork. That's right. Now what we have to realize first, after we recognize artwork, then we have to ask ourselves a very important question. All right, what did they actually find to get that artwork? So a question I always like to ask is, what's the evidence? Everybody say that with me, all right? What's the evidence? All you're asking is, show me what you found. Well, here's what they found of Ramapithecus at the time that those pictures came out. Now take a good look at this skull. Now I realize probably most of you haven't studied anatomy, bones, and things like that, but I want to share a secret with you. Whenever you're looking in the textbooks, when you're looking in magazines, museums, whenever you're looking at real bones, you always need to start looking for two colors. That's a little secret. Two colors. Take a look at this picture. You guys see the two colors? Now, not the background color, the blue. What I'm talking about is the two colors within the skull, the light and the dark. Well, at the time of Ramapithecus, when these pictures came out in the book, all they had found was a little bit of jawbone and a little teeth, the part that is dark in color. All that white skull at the back and all that white jaw and teeth in the front, they never found. All they found was the part that's dark in color. Now we have a little problem. Let's go look at Ramapithecus again. Remember, and all they found was a few teeth and a little bit of jawbone. Then I have to ask you a question. How did they get that picture? Is that enough evidence? Can you take that small of an evidence and stretch it out that far? Not only got Ramapithecus, they got his friends too, all right? On the next page. Is that enough information? No, it's not. They've actually found more information on Ramapithecus since this book came out. And you take a look at this jawbone over here, Ramapithecus, complete with teeth. It looks very much like that of an orangutan. In fact, most scientists today agree that Ramapithecus was nothing more than just a great ape. Had nothing to do with you and me.